You can say for the student councils around all the universities in Palestine, we are helping the student in too much different ways. For example, well, in academic ways, if any student has an academic problem, we explain for him the rules, the system of the university, how we can, as possible we can, to help him. For the social things, we are, you can say, the point which connecting the societies outside the university with the student. So if there's activities in some society outside, we collect the students, sending them there to involve in, these societies to like a social responsibility for us.
How old are you?
22 years.
22 years. And what is your idea of the future? What do you think? These things can go better in next times, or do you see it very difficult to have a solution for the situation there?
Well, for me as a Palestinian, we still have hope, because we said the hope still, it's the only thing we can catch in Palestine. So the hope, it's all we have, we can say. For this year, we hope that we will have a solution in the future. That's all we can say. That things become better, we don't know. Because the occupation have another point of view all the time.
And who can bring this solution?
Well, I thought that, I'm thinking the Palestinian cause, Palestinian conflict, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, it's not only for the Palestinian and the Israel. It's international, you can say international cause. For this, I think all the people around the world should work to bring the peace for the Palestinians, or to solve this conflict. Well, if we will go in the history, the problem it's the internal, you can say the Europe and the American who help Israel to become a country and a state on our land. So they should bring the solution for the Palestinians on their land now.
Now it seems that Barack Obama and the United States are tired of the politics of Benjamin Netanyahu keeping the settlements and all these things. How do you think this can go? The United States will leave Netanyahu alone and change their position, or not?
Maybe it's strange if I tell you that it's only the Palestinian people who save the names of all the ministers and the presidents of the United States of America since a lot of years. Because we are following all. Until now, we hope that Barack Obama maybe, but not a lot. We don't depend a lot on this thing, on this American, American government now.
And what about the cooperation with groups like Iniciativa for Catalunya and something like that? Do you think this can be useful?
Yeah, we think it's the most useful this time, because now we are talking with the parties, with the people, to get it through the people, European people here. And for us, the Catalan people are really, innovation, with more energy, and we hope in the future that they could push something in the government, and we hope it will go well in the future through the cooperation with the Palestinian societies and Catalan societies here, to explain the situation there, and after they push the things here between the people to know about Palestine.
And in what concerns to the division between Palestinians, people in Palestine, do you think they can go together for a solution, or not?
Well, between the Palestinians, we still Palestinians, so how much we go far away from each other, at the end we will solve this conflict between us. And as an interior problem, in these days it will, because I think the problem is not between the Palestinians, because there is more fingers from outside playing a role in the conflict between the Palestinians for this. Well, if these fingers go out from this play, the Palestinians, the Palestinians, they live under the same occupation at the end. So